Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I'm in my aunt's house. She has an amazing collection of just everything. Right here she has an amazing collection of elephants that I want to share with you. So let's just take a look at her entire collection. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that beautiful elephant with the detail. She even has a turtle collection. Look at that. Look at that. Down here she has a collection of Buddhas. Look at that Buddha. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. And dragons. She has dragons. Look at this egg. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? She also has a teddy bear here. He's reading a book. That is so interesting. Look at that. I love it. Then she has another elephant here. Look at that beautiful elephant. Amazing. She has a piggy. Look at the pig. And she has the cat. The cat is supposed to be for good luck. Then she has 3 elephants here, one on top of the other. Look at that. And the little ducky on top. Then she has plants. She also has, over here, she has more elephants and Buddhas. Look at this Buddha right there. This is like a store. It looks like a store, but it's beautiful. Look at the frogs. And look at the other Buddhas right here. Look at that. They even have $1 there for good luck. Amazing. And then she has the elephants back there. Look at the elephants. Now you see that little duck with the umbrella? That one I gave to her as a gift a while back. Then down here she has more elephants. Look at the beauty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Then there's a little dog here. Look at that. Another big elephant. And a cat here. Look at the beautiful cat. Then up here, look at the cat collection. Isn't that cute? She has more cats here. Beautiful. And behind the cats, she has a trail of elephants. Look at that. Beautiful. Then up here, she has a little angel. And let's see what she has down here. She has more elephants. And more elephants over here. Look at that. And look at those crystal frogs. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So right now I'm going to take you over to the rest of her living room, which is right here. Look at how beautiful that is. It's a little dark here. I'm sure you can see the green ones. And look at those. That's amazing. What an amazing collection. Look at that one. Isn't that beautiful? And she has the turtles over there in the corner. Look at that. Amazing collection. Then she has a cross here. And a crystal ball. Alrighty. I think I'm going to end the video here. And I thank you for watching my aunt's amazing collection. Thanks for watching.